Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about one of my favorite series that I have so many of. This is Where's Waldo in Hollywood. So this one is pretty cute because it's got different places in Hollywood. A lot of them have to do with like movie scenes, so it's kind of cool. I don't know if you've ever looked at the Waldo series, but it's really fun. Besides trying to find Waldo, they have a lot of other things that you can find. So it keeps you busy for a long time. This book, I don't know, I just love how they have funny little things that you can find within the pictures, like different scenarios, different people, different animals, doing funny things. Sometimes you think you find Waldo, but you really gotta look because they have the details of what you should be looking for. So it makes it very creative, and I love books that you're able to find things. It makes it fun as a family. You don't have to do it on your own. You can do it all together. Give each other little games of who you want to find. And it's just something that my daughter loves. She's addicted to this series now as well. But that's just my point of view.